Hi guys, so we got a 2017 Mustang GT Coyote, and we're gonna install a Borla Switchfire X-Pipe setup. Check it out, really cool. I don't know if you guys seen these before, but they really make a difference in sound. So they're straight through on the bottom, and then an X-Pipe on the top, and it just gives it a crazy tone. But there it is. If you guys wondered what it looks like and how it's gonna sound, we'll show you in a second. There it is, and it comes with the hardware right here. 2 clamps on this side, and then it clamps into the original clamps on this side. All right, but I'm gonna let you guys hear this car before we do anything to it. And if you guys wondered, this is the part number on it, PN60662. I like this badging, check it out, 435 horse. But here we go, go ahead and start it. So it's got some stuff done to it. It's got an H-pipe and I think a Borla axle back. Yeah, kit. So we'll see what the sound difference is when we do the switch fire. Okay, X-pipe, go ahead. That's what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. So it's right at 115. That's what it sounds like before. All right, stay tuned guys. One more. All right, perfect, thank you. So let me show you guys what it's got on it before. So it's got the stock converters, aftermarket H-pipe. So that's what it sounds like with an H-pipe. We just let you hear it. And then it's got the Borla Attack mufflers in the back, right there and right there. So I don't blame him for taking the H-pipe out and replacing it with the Borla X-pipe. All right, stay tuned. All right guys, Ford Mustang GT50. We showed you guys what it looks like before. And here it is after. So it's got stock converters there and there. And then what we did is we took the H-pipe out and replaced it with the Switchfire X-pipe by Borla right there. Look at that design. It's crazy design right there. Then there's the Borla Attacks out the back on each side right there and right there. They were installed earlier in the year. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for both. And that's it right there. So stay tuned guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And there's that H-pipe that was on it that we took off right there. Whoa. Let it idle. That's the idle on it guys with the X-pipe. There's sound decibels on the idle. Go ahead. Change the sound. So, H-pipe or Switchfire X-pipe by Borla. Which sound do you guys like better? Let me know in the comments. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Definitely louder. 116. The tone is completely different. That sounds so clean. Switchfire, that's a clean sound. That's different. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Mustang GT50, all decked out, really beautiful car with the Switchfire, full Borla kit basically, Switchfire in the middle, X-pipe and Borla Attack in the back. That sounds good. You can still hear it. Wow, that sounds beautiful.